It's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's TikTok tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the text-to-speech voice filter to this creepy, scary voice. Now, it's extremely easy to do, but before we get into that, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're into TikTok-related content, as I have been posting a ton of TikTok-related tutorials. Help me hit my goal of 100k subscribers by subbing down below. Alright, so you've probably seen it all over your For You page, this Bentellect scary, creepy voice, stitches, and duets.
Reasons why Gemini is upset. Real reasons.
Ben, you seriously believe in zodiac signs? We are very disappointed, Ben.
Absolutely hilarious. Obviously, I feel bad for Ben because he's kind of getting harassed by all these different TikToks, but they're very simple to do, and I've been seeing so many people asking me, how do you do this? So all you have to do is go onto the TikTok app and record a stitch to Ben's video, or you can just make whatever your own video and then create some text on the video itself. Once you've created that text, you just want to click it, and then this will pop up right here. It will say change voice. If it doesn't say change voice, watch till the end of the video because I have a solution for that. So once you hit change voice, you can just scroll all the way over until you see the creepy voice filter. Just click that and bam, that is how you do the text-to-speech filter. It is really as easy as that. Now, if you don't have the change voice option, I do have a solution for you. And the first one is that your TikTok actually isn't updated. Really simple. All you got to do is go to your app store, and if it says update, just hit update and bam, you should have the filter. Now, if your TikTok is all the way updated and you still do not have that change of voice feature, this just means TikTok hasn't rolled it out to your country. And what you can do then is watch my uberduck.ai video that I posted a couple weeks ago, and it shows you how to get any custom text-to-speech voice. You can get even more than just a scary voice. You can get celebrities, YouTubers. It's crazy. So make sure you guys watch that video. It's very short and it explains exactly how you can get custom text-to-speech. Well guys, I hope this summed everything up on how to get the new feature on TikTok and how to use it. Make sure you guys do subscribe if you like TikTok related content, and have yourselves a fantastic day. See ya later.